Want your plants to reach their full potential naturally? If you've ever wondered how to get brighter blooms, stronger roots, and higher yields without using harsh chemicals, you're about to find out. Let nature do the work for you. Introducing Organic Photosynthesis Plus Ok, a biologically advanced solution that enhances the natural process of photosynthesis. This isn't just another plant supplement. It's a living formula packed with beneficial bacteria and natural compounds that help plants create more energy, absorb nutrients faster, and thrive in any environment. Think of it like giving your plants a personal energy boost. When plants photosynthesize more efficiently, they can turn sunlight, water, and CO2 into the fuel they need to grow stronger and healthier. Photosynthesis Plus Ok improves that process at the cellular level, meaning your plants grow faster, resist stress better, and look greener than ever before. Here's what makes it so powerful. Strengthens roots and foliage for vigorous growth. Enhances photosynthetic efficiency for faster energy conversion. Boosts CO2 utilization for healthier, more resilient plants. Works perfectly in hydroponics, aeroponics, drip systems, soil, and coco coir. 100% organic and safe for your home, your garden, and your pets. Gardeners everywhere are seeing the difference: faster growth, richer color, and stronger yields. Whether you're a home grower or running a commercial setup, Photosynthesis Plus Ok gives your plants a visible edge powered by nature itself. Give your garden the natural advantage it deserves. Supercharge your plants with Organic Photosynthesis Plus Ok, the natural engine of growth. Find it today on growcycle.com and see the results for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe for more expert growing tips and product insights from GrowCycle.